system is calling for cooling, and apparently the fans are not running. Okay, EXD system. So fans are still not running. What have caused that? That's what's to be determined. Don't do what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to see the back here. There we go. Probably one of those units right there is not allowing the fans to start. Those sensors.
So we replaced the fan delay with the newer one. Keep in mind that fan delays, they go bad without a notice. Just wanna make sure that you guys do not blindly jump any F4 to N. Each system might be different. So you have to trace your wire and then double check with your meter. So in our case, the fan delay is a single pole double throw switch, SPDT, made by Supco. It has 3 wires in it. Okay. Some technicians refer to the fan delay as Klixon. Klixon is a brand name of a company that makes thermally actuated switches. So what we have here is 3 wire sensor, okay, that opens at 35 Fahrenheit and closes at 55 Fahrenheit. So right to the lab, I wanted to check it out. Okay, so what I did, it's supposed to open at 35. So let me double check that. Okay, my meter is reading, can't really see that without the glasses. So that's what, 26. Now the usual suspect, I'm gonna check continuity. There we go. Don't have enough room to put them by each other, so let's do this. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure continuity. Let me make sure that my meter is working correctly. Apparently it's not. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is like this. And as you can see, we have oil. Move this out of the way. Okay. All right. So, well, it means there is no continuity between the red and the black wire. If this was a good sensor, we should be reading something about, approximately 0 ohms, 0.1 ohms, 0.2 ohms would be acceptable when the temperature is below 35 degrees. So we determined that the sensor was broken. Now sometimes, technicians read, on a good sensor, when it's below 35 degrees, okay, some technicians read 0.2 or 0.3 ohms. When you get that reading, it means that the sensor is reaching its end life. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video for a couple of seconds because I want to warm up the sensor to check the the connection between the red and the brown wire. Okay, it is still the same setup. Okay, now the sensor temperature is about 83 degrees, means over here I have 83 degrees. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, it doesn't come out. And now I'm gonna check the continuity between the brown and the red wire. It's still well. Okay, that means that this sensor again is faulty, and somehow this SPDT got stuck in between or something like that. Okay, now the reason why we call it a fan delay, because we don't want the fan to blow hot and humid air during defrost. All hell breaks loose when humidity accumulates in unwanted areas. I try to add the picture of phenomena like that. What happens is our water freezes between 32 Fahrenheit and 37 Fahrenheit. It expands. Okay, that's so weird behavior of water at that specific temperature range, and this might cause walls or door leakage. That trapped water expansion, it breaks connections and gaskets and many things. So that's one of the reasons certain walk-in coolers and freezers, in particular freezers, they have this added feature, what we call fan delay.
There we go.